How to withdraw Bitcoin or any other assets from Blockfi account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw Bitcoin or any other crypto or assets from your Blockfi. Now the process itself is simple. I'll just be guiding you through here. I won't be able to show it right here. But first you'll have to make sure that you are eligible to withdraw from Blockfi. So once you make sure that you are eligible to withdraw from Blockfi, you can simply open a Blockfi app and then tap on the dashboard. Once on dashboard, you want to tap on withdraw. Now I'll just show you the how it'll look up there. You'll get this withdraw option. You want to tap on withdraw, and once you tap on withdraw, you want to select the particular asset you wish to withdraw from Blockfi, and then it'll prompt you to select a destination address. You'll have to head over to the particular wallet that you wish to withdraw your Bitcoin on, and then you'll have to get that wallet address. Once you get the wallet address, you'll have to enter it on the Blockfi, and then after selecting your wallet, tap review withdrawal and go ahead through the prompts. You'll be able to make the withdrawal. So this way you can withdraw Bitcoin from Blockfi. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.